Welcome back to the channel. Choosy farmhouse vent decoration idea. When wind arrange the charm of farmhouse decoration turn come to life, there's something magic about rustic wood, warm layout, natural textile, and simple access that transforming a home into peaceful, cozy retreat. Whether you love classic farmhouse style, a perfect modern farm house term wind is the perfect seasoning to refresh your space with soft color, green and firm, comfortable textile. We explored beautiful farmhouse wind decoration idea that bring warmth, chaptering and timeless style into any home. Start with a warm natural wind. Farmhouse decoration is now for its natural basic and wind at the perfect time to embrace its thing soft while warm, bring charm, gum, that tone create a clean, chaptering fountain that inside feel blissful. Add in smart touch of wind color like green, deep forest, both that bring